Welcome to IBC 2024
Discover game-changing innovations, explore new business models,
and network with over 170 countries right here in Amsterdam.
Well, we're here at the IBC in Amsterdam and we're joining Leyard now, and Cris is here from Leyard. How's it all going for you? Are you enjoying it?
Yeah, perfect. It's a fantastic time to be here back at IBC here in Amsterdam, showcasing our latest products for broadcast industry and XR stages, so fantastic to be here.
So tell us more about those products and what you're actually doing in the industry right now.
Yeah, so as Leyard and Planar, we manufacture LED video walls, direct view LED walls, which is nowadays a standard in broadcast and XR stages, and we make fine pixel pitch solutions like the one that we see here behind us to create those stages, to set those stages, to allow dynamic content to be shown on it, and perfect on-camera capture.
Yeah, and it's brilliant at something like this to advertise and market your product because it just looks fantastic.
Yeah, indeed. And we teamed up here together with Zero Density, actually showing towards our customers what it can be to have an end-to-end solution, going from content creation to dynamically adjusting it on the screen to perfect camera capturing. So it's the whole workflow that we try to demonstrate here towards our customers.
And what are the trends in the industry right now as regards screens and monitors? What are you doing that's different?
Yeah, but the trend is already a long time ongoing for direct view LED. It's still, you have two next to each other. You have a green keyed solution or an LED solution as a backdrop. But you see that most of the studios, smaller studios, are going for a dynamic wall to easily and adjust their contact, and a direct view LED wall is that ideal. Second trend that we are seeing is the pixel pitch, so the resolution of a wall that is going down and down, mainly because you can then be closer to your wall to be more interactivity with that content.
Yeah, everything just feels so immersive.
Yes.
And so exciting.
Yeah, indeed, fully excited. And here also we can show an immersive screen with additional set extensions and everything like that, so fully immerse your viewers onto the display.
I mean, when you're thinking of the future now, where do we go next?
That's really hard to tell. I think I would say more trends like more going to 4K or more going to what is called ST2110 is more like how the content is getting delivered to the screen, and the processing is where we see the most evolution ongoing. The screen on itself, I would say, is quite stable. We have here and there some features that are added like HDR, but it's more the content, how it's done or delivered, and the processing side that is evolving over the time.
And of course, there are multiple uses. This isn't only, restricted to the media and broadcast industries.
Yeah, correct. So those screens, we not only use them in broadcast, because of those features, we can also use them in control rooms, corporate environments, enterprise environments, even retail. So you can use them everywhere, I would say, in terms of when you want to display something.
Yeah, absolutely. Every industry turns into a whole presentation and a whole creative process.
Yeah, immersive, engaging viewers is the new trend.
Absolutely. Well, Cris, I'll let you get back to the show. It's so busy on the stand, and good luck.
Thank you very much.